So today we are looking at the recurring category. So right over here on the left hand menu bar here, you will click on recurring. And the first thing you will see is your calendar. I really like this overview because I do want to see what my calendar overview looks like, right? This is showing me that for the month of September, today we are on the 29th, so we can actually go into the month of October. So as you can see here, right here is what I have coming up. I have some money coming in green on the 2nd. And then I have a bill here on the 6th, another one on the 15th, and another one on the 23rd. So let's click on this here. So it's giving me a little bit more details. And if I click on it, I get to see what this is. It's showing me a history of this particular expense. So I can see what it is here. It's a housing payment. And right here on the right-hand side here in this midsection, it's showing me the frequency. This comes monthly. It's showing me the type. This is how it's categorized. It's income. And then it's showing me the bank that it's coming from and the category of income. So I love all these details. I can remove it from the list if I wanted to by clicking on this, but we don't want to do that. I can also export all of these, like export these 15 transactions, but we don't want to do that. So another thing that you want to see here, it used to be 1975. Now it's 2100. So you're kind of seeing that increasing. So this is expected in the next 3 days. So let's go back. Now we're back to this dashboard. Now I'm curious as to what is this 2179 because it's not really telling me what it is. So we click on it. Oh, this is anytime mailbox. So technically this is something that used to be a recurring expense, but it's no longer a recurring expense because I technically haven't had this since August of last year. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this from the list. Now it has been removed from my list. So right here, there's an 8089 expense, and that looks like, I don't really recognize what that logo is. So we'll click on it. Oh, okay. So that is my Xfinity monthly bill. So we click on that and take a look at it. So this right here, something happened where it went up around December of last year, but it has been pretty steady. We like seeing that. This is also a great way for you to assess which expenses are potentially changing throughout the year, because sometimes these companies will increase your subscription cost on a monthly basis without even letting you know. All right. So here, okay. It's giving me a little disclaimer. If you look over here on the right-hand side, it's saying that this bill seems high. Let our team of experts negotiate your Comcast Xfinity bill and save up to 25%. So you can learn more by clicking on that, right? So you can actually go and learn more, or you can just dismiss it. I know why mine is a little bit higher because it's a combination of my streaming subscription and my internet in one. So here I have another bill, $13.95. I recognize this logo because I know what that is. So this is an overview of what the calendar section is going to look like. This is a great way for you on a monthly basis to be checking when your money is coming in and when it's going out. So what you would do here every single week, for example, if you got paid on a Friday, you could come here and take a look. Okay, so I'm getting paid this Friday. Will I have enough to cover all of my bills until my next pay? So this is why I like this overall look. So this is the calendar section. Now, before you go, follow me on my other platforms. On my business channel for career, business, and money strategies to build your corporate exit strategy. On my lifestyle and travel vlog for the real life behind the strategy. And on my podcast, From Corporate to CEO, for daily side business tips and motivation. But the real work happens in the community. This is where we support each other and build this together. Same values, same season, and same direction. I'll see you there.